In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the system type on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Majorly, there are two systems, the 32 bits and 64 bits operating systems for Windows. Your system type is very much important and will determine the type of files that you can download and install on your computer. So to find out your system, now for the first method, go to Windows or Start menu and then click on Settings. And then from here, look for Systems. And from Systems, click on About. Now look for the option called System Type, and as you can see, the system type is here, and under it you can see I have 64-bit operating system, and normally written as times 64. If yours is 32, you'll see it as 32. Alternatively, the second and the shortest method, go to this PC and then click on it to open. From here, just click on this property, and this will take you to the About page where you can still see the system type, which is here. So by using any of the two methods, you'll be able to see and find out whether you are using 64-bit operating system and 32-bit operating system. Now the difference is 64-bit is more powerful than 32 bits. However, not all computers are able to run on 64 operating system, so this will depend on the type of the processor you have on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.